Go for it, Justin.
Very he basically found a handful of people,
Oh, it's raining.
That's what Joe likes to do.
Golfing.
No, you do it with your hand.
Water.
Are you serious? Oh.
It's something comes out. And it can penetrate the skin. It's dangerous.
What?
Police officers do it. Police officers do
We
it.
do it Moses Lake every year. What do you do?
It's a deadly weapon.
Oh, shooting.
What?
Heroin?
No. with bullets.
Oh, shooting guns.
Yeah. Uses it, listens to music.
Headphones.
Joe likes to do it. Yes. I like doing this to my WRX. If it's broken.
Oh, fix it up? Fix it?
Fixing what? What is it?
Fixing cars?
Yeah.
Fixing...
I do this every morning to get caffeine.
Coffee. Drink coffee.
You gotta...
Drink... brewing coffee.
Yeah. Try those.
Dude, we're so good.